Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a sticker haul from Planner Sister Stickers. This is the first time that I have ordered from them. And they are based out of New Hampshire. Let's see. And I think I got 25% off if you go and you subscribe to them on Instagram. Then you can get a little discount. Thanks so much for your order. We hope you enjoy your order. Thanks, Sarah and Rebecca. And I believe I got all matte sticker kits. Yeah, all the matte ones. And if I remember correctly from my friend Heather, she's the hen house here on Instagram or on YouTube. They put them in order of the ones that are on your invoice. So this one is called Honey Lemon Weekly Sticker Kit. And I didn't actually order the add-ons, but that must be one of their freebies. And here is all of the, I got summer sticker kits and a couple of Easter. So there is that sheet. Love this yellow. I love that there's two different yellows. And her sticker kits are really nice. I like the matte, and yeah, it cut really well. And then here is the fourth sheet. And then the fifth sheet. So they're like 6-page sticker kits, I do believe. No, 7-page. Okay, I'm lying. That one's 8 pages. So a large kit that could go into, you get some headers. They could go in both of my planners. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheets in this kit, and then the add-on. And then the next one I got is Bright Sunshine. She must have included the add-on. I didn't order the add-on, but I'm glad to get it. So that is the add-on, and this is the Bright Sunshine, I believe, kit. That has some pretty washi. Then you get all your headers and your deco. You get your glitter washi, and this is a double picture box. Then your days of the week. And the next one I got was a matte Daisy Days. Daisies are my favorite sticker. So there is the add-on. I like that they have a, well, it's not, yeah, it is a sticker. They have their name up here that you could just cut out and use in your planner so that you can know which place the kit came from. her hydrate in the little jars are really cute. This one you get to do to call, to purchase, and to clean. I love those little headers. And then the next one is the matte egg Easter. So you get the double picture box add-on. Oh, this one has a cute little gnome. Super cute washi. Then you get your double picture box. And your days of the week. And then this kit is called Sand. So you get picture boxes. That's your add-on. Super fun summer kit. The colors are really pretty in this. Oh, love this washi. And then this one is the Relax kit, and I think I'm going to use it for the 4th of July. It says Lake Live, Coke. This way I don't have to buy separate kits for my A5 and for my pocket. I can use all of these in both planners. And then this one is Sunset Beach. You have your deco and your headers, your glitter headers, and another double box. And then the next kit is Flower in Summer. And then the last kit is called Summer Goodies. You get all these hearts to use as bullets. So there you go. That is my planner sister sticker haul. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like, and then I hope you stick around and hit the subscribe button and the little bell when you get notified when I upload new content. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.